Namaskar, dear friends. I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from astrodevam.com. I am practicing Vastu since last 3 decades. Successfully teaching Vastu since last 3 decades and practicing also. And in these 3 decades, a lot of transformation has become in the Vastu science as well as the field of practicing Vastu. A lot of transformation and changes and churning has become happen, and it has made the life of Vastu consultant and practitioner easy as well as more competent and efficient. And the most contributing factor in this regard is the introduction of many instruments which are helping a Vastu consultant like anything. And then out of all these instruments and techniques, the one thing which is the most important which has immensely contributed to the success of Vastu analysis and predictions is the instrument which is named as Universal Aura Scanner. What is Universal Aura Scanner? Let me elaborate first the concept aura. As you can see me, this is my gross body. But beyond this gross body, there are so many bodies. And the yoga tradition and tantra tradition call it as Annamaya Kosh. The body which has been built from the grains, from your food, whatever you consume, it has enlarged this body, it has created as well as expanded this body. And beyond these bodies, there are 4 bodies: Pranamaya Kosh, Manomaya Kosh, Vijnanamaya Kosh, and the ultimate which is Anandamaya Kosh. The most important beyond this gross Annamaya Kosh is the Pranamaya Kosh. It can be translated into energy body. And if you see the photo of some great personality, the gods, divinities, and Christ, you will see the halo around their body. There's a light, something is dim light around their body, and this is the symbolic representation of the aura of that person. The Hindu gods, Rama, Krishna, Narayana, Shiva, everywhere you will find a lot of halo around their body. It is called aura. That is the Pranamaya Kosha. And if you can see, if you are trained for that, even you can see your aura of your spouse or your known persons. Every aura of each and everyone can be seen with a lot of practice. But this instrument, Universal Aura Scanner, can scan the aura of a person or even an object. Yes, every object, everything on this universe has some aura, and it can be scanned, and it should be scanned. It may have positive aura, negative aura, less aura, high aura, everything it may have. So Universal Aura Scanner is the instrument which can scan, which can measure the aura. There are so many varieties of aura, but it is subject of detailed discussion which we'll cover in some other YouTube video. But here I want to show you that Universal Aura Scanner which have revolutionized the field of Vastu, the Feng Shui, astrology, Tantra, Yoga, Gemology, Rudraksha knowledge, everything. And people are using it like anyway. Thousands and millions of people are using like this. How it works, I will demonstrate you in a very basic manner. Here you can see I can light, just I have pushed the button and light has come out, and in the both cases light is there. And but normal cases you need not to light this. Normal course you can check this, and for if unless until you want to check something very distant, I will come to that later. But first I want to demonstrate how it works. The handling of this universal is very ticklish, and the most important thing is the calibration of this instrument. Normally a lot of people are producing, manufacturing and marketing this instrument, copying this instrument, but they don't have clear calibration, so they don't give the required and desired results. But in our case, it is the wonderful thing, and it has a lot. The calibration is the ultimate. I can assure you, and this is one of the best in the world in this field. I cannot say best in the world, but one of the best in the world. I can rely on this because we have done a lot of research on this methodology and produce something like it is a like something like miracle. So you can handle it in two ways. Either you can handle it, hold it here. Actually, if you are not, you cannot handle properly. If you are saying this, it will not move required, and if you go into in either direction, but you have to tactfully handle this in a particular angle, and you need not, if you are buying this from our website, you need not to worry, because we train you for free. We don't charge for training you. 1 hour training is given by me, personally by me, to all the buyers so that they can handle it properly and can understand the concept as well as methodology. So I'm handling this. You can handle it in this way, or you can handle it in this way. But I will start with a very simple question. Just see, dear friends, you can call it, many persons name it Shankar, Shambhu, Ram, Balram, or Michael Jackson, one Michael, another Jackson, and you can name it in any way as per your liking. But since it is not my personal, it is for demo purposes, I will not name, otherwise I will get connected with this. So just I will say, dear friend, how will you say yes to any question? Just see how they are expanding. They are saying yes, because they are expanding. It is something like this: your beloved friend is coming, you are welcoming it with open arms. If you are handling this in this manner, how will you say yes? It will expand. And if you are handling this, it will expand. Okay. And if you are asking this reverse question, the reverse question, how will you say no? Just it will, how it is moving. How will you say it will move? It may move in either this direction and this direction simultaneously. If you are handling in this way, how will you say no? Both will go inside. Okay. So because if I am handling this way, it cannot go inside because there is no space. So it will go this way. So it is a miraculous product, and you can use it millions of ways. Believe me, millions of ways. And with a lot of research and labor, we have created a vast variety of sample. Suppose that you are industrialist, you want to appoint your CFO. You can check whether this CFO is good for you or not. And with this, we give two masses. These are mass which is to be kept used along with this. If you want to match two horoscopes for marriage, if you want to see whether this deal is good for you or not, whether this agreement will happen or not, whether this land is good for you or not, and so many billions of questions you want to ask, you can do with the help of this. And how to use this mass, I can explain, but the video will go for at least 1 hour and it'll test your patience. So I will just show you how much samples we have given. Ideally, you can see there is a vacant space in which we place the energy sample, but I had done this without energy sample. But ideally, if you are a new person, you should not do without energy sample. And even at the initial level, you can push the button and lighten this. But in normal course, where we use, suppose that I want to ask whether Trump will be my friend or not. Okay, Trump, I mean President Trump of America. Okay, whether Trump will be my friend of or not. So because Trump is not here, Trump is at a far off place, then I should start these lights. Okay, now I'm asking you whether Trump will be my friend or not. Okay, it is said no. There is no possibility of you befriending Trump. But if I off the lights, now lights are off. If I ask the same question whether Trump will be friend of me or not, they are moving, but in a very slow manner. Okay, you can see. So if something very distant, ideally you should push the lights and use with this. And for multiple purposes. We explore so many things, and I can show you the samples to be used with this. Okay, this is the box. We give 2 boxes of samples. Very beautifully created boxes of wooden boxes जो है, and these boxes are full of samples which you can use for the benefit of you as well as your clients. You are practicing yoga, tantra, vastu, feng shui, astrology, healing science, anything you are practicing, you can use this universal aura scanner in a wonderful way, I assure you. So these are the samples. Suppose that you are a vastu practitioners. We have created a lot of samples for the possibilities in a building. So here is the water tap, machine, boss sitting, the temple. This is the washing machine, locker, dining table, study table, toilet seat, bed, staircase, almirah, and in case of factories, raw material, generator, important papers, computer, lift, borewell, main gate, lift for goods, refrigerator, waste material, finished goods. Oh my god, so many options. Staff sitting, important papers, I already told you, inverter, mirror, so many things. Everything you can see. Suppose that I want to check whether water tap is good for this place or not. I have just inserted this water tap sample in this instrument, and I want to check whether water tap will be good for this place or not. Oh, it is saying no, you should not install water tap here. Okay, water tap should not be good for it. I know, otherwise I know it is my office. It is the southeast direction, Agneya, zone of fire. So it is, and if I ask this instrument whether water tap will be good in this direction or not, you can see it is saying yes, water tap is good for that place. So you can easily understand, and you can use these samples and understand whether to use this, whether to install water tap or this or not. And similarly, you can check with for all the things. I have listed so many things in the here जो है. So water tap is good for not. In the same way, you can use lift, staircase, bed, furniture, refrigerator, everything, dining table, everything you can use. Whether mirror should be there or not, you can check that. And beyond these things, and vastu, you will become master of vastu with this checking. And see the variety, what type of samples we have created. Beyond these vastu, there is a sample for Rudrakshas. We have created sample for 1 to 14 face Rudraksha. These are called Mukhi. Whether this particular Rudraksha will suit a person or not, we can check. And how to check, I can elaborate this, but in that case, I have to show you how to use this, but it will expand my video beyond limit. And these are 5 elements of air, earth, space, fire, and water. You can check whether any building has the deficiency of what this element or excess of this element or in harmony. In the same way, you can check with a particular person whether this gentleman has how the quantity and quality of this particular element in the body of a person is there. Okay, now these are the 16 samples for the directions, 8 main directions and 8 sub directions. If you are practicing Vastu Feng Shui, there are 16 directions, and you can check each and every direction for a space, for a building, for industry, for any office, anything. You can easily check what is the quality of this direction in this building, and you can employ the remedy. Similarly, these are sample for the grahas. From all the 9 grahas, you can check for a person. Before going to horoscope, even without going to horoscope, you can check whether this graha is beneficial or not, whether it is weak or it is strong. You can check with reasonable accuracy. And this is the first box. And in the second box, this box is also full of samples. Miraculous. You can see this is the positive and negative. You can see positivity, negative energy in a building or in a person, whether there is positive energy or negative energy. You can check very easily. The ultraviolet UV is checked for something very negative, something super paranormal energy. In the case of paranormal energy, UV used. Then this is the field of astrology. There are many doshas, many anomalies in a particular horoscope. You can check very easily. Bandhan dosha, Pitri dosha, Pishach yoga, Kal Sarp yoga, foreign settlement. There is combination of foreign settlement or not. Mangali dosha, own home combination. Whether he has own home combination or not. Whether you will be able to have his own home or not. Then job success. Then business success. Loan, possibility of loan and possibility of its removal. Foreign study. Marriage yoga. Santan yoga. Yes, Santan yoga means combination for children. Okay. Divorce. Geostress. This geostress is very important because geostress is the cancer of a space, cancer of a building, and I will put up. I have successfully removed geostress of many buildings and plots and factories and so many places. I will put up videos on geostress, elaborating how it was detected and how it was removed. It was wonderful thing. And then visa, if you'll get visa or not. Then saliva. This is saliva is very unique thing. You can actually saliva has the DNA of a person. If you place saliva of a person soaking after soaking some cotton or something like this, you can check anything about that person. Okay, this is very useful. I will put up different videos for different things. Then there is a combination for chakras. From Mooladhara chakra, that is called base chakra, to the Sastra chakra, that is a crown chakra. Every chakra you can check of a person very successfully. This instrument is going to tell you with full confidence. Okay. Then there is another zone, the diseases. What is the possibility of any particular disease going to happen with this gentleman or lady? And I can tell you the name of diseases. You will be your head will swell like anything. Low BP, high BP, gallbladder, kidney stone, acid problem, kidney problem, uric acid, cancer, cervical, cholesterol, asthma, intestine problems, nervous problems, joint pain, lungs problem, liver problem, sugar problem. Sugar, that is diabetes. Okay, popularly it is called sugar. Heart problem, migraine, blood disease, bone disease, sinus problem, thyroid problem. Oh my God, so many problems. All these diseases, we have created sample for them. You can check very easily what is the intensity of the disease, whether it is there or not, and how it is possibility of getting recovery. Oh. And there are two very specific jail sample for going jail and sample for getting bail. These are very important. If you are entangled in some criminal issue and problem, then these samples work in a very wonderful manner. Then there is sample for colors. Which color will suit you, which color will not suit you. A lot of samples there, they just place them, insert here and check for a particular person whether these colors are suiting him or not. And then the last one is the numerology section. We have created sample for 1 to 9. Whether this particular number suits you or not, you can check in very easy manner with this help of instrument. This is the boon in the hands of a numerologist or a numerology consultant. This is boon. And last one is the center. Center is the center of the building or space or anything you have. Even you can check center of small spaces like this table, like anything. So you can see there are innumerable options, and believe me, these are only small things you have. You can use this scanner in the millions of ways. You can check. A few days back, some big industrialist of Delhi came to me and wanted to check study progress of his child, and I took his books of his child, and I could easily say in which subjects he is weak and in which subject he is doing good. What a miracle! His eyes were open like anything. How can you tell? How can you tell? No one is knowing. We never discussed like this. But with accuracy, I could tell which subjects are good, which subjects are not good for a particular child. This is only just sample. Suppose that a person comes along with some soil from a particular plot, you can check along with after using this whether this plot is good for or not. Again, with this plot is good, if good, it is good for you or not. Okay, and if it is good for a particular purpose or not. So there is immense possibility. And believe me, and I give once, if someone buys from our website this instrument, I give free training for 1 hour. I do not charge even a penny if someone buys from us this instrument. And best thing is that we have calibrated, we have perfected the instrument that you don't find any comparison in the world. Yes, don't find any comparison in the world. And along with this, we give you a very good beautiful bag in which you can move everything, and a lot your compass and everything, your visiting cards, everything you have. So it is the ultimate. And ideally I would have expanded this video for hours and hours, because I can show you how a kundali can be matched, how you can be matched with a prospective partner, life partner as well as business partner. So you can do immense possibility, you can use wonderful ways, but it may be a boring for an unintended person. And especially I put up the videos for geostress, because it is the subject matter of interest, because I could have enlivened a lot of properties which were like ghost. The properties were like a ghost. No one was living. Either even the landlords could not rent it out. But after treating geostress, life came out and properties were sold or rented as wished by the landlord. So it is something like I don't want to comment. So if you are practitioner in the field of astrology, vastu, tantra, yoga, numerology, gemology, rudraksha, anything, if you are in the energies, if you are in chakras, this is a necessity for you, must for you. Do it, have it. It will create immense possibilities, a lot of doors for you. Thank you again. I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from Astrodhyam.com.